Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete your AliExpress account permanently. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Close Account or Delete Account. You may be redirected to a page where you will see a message that the deletion is final and cannot be undone. Just read it carefully, and if you agree, tap Delete your account. Then, to confirm, a verification code will be sent to your phone number or email. Once you receive the code, copy and paste it into the field and tap Verify. After that, you will see one more confirmation about account deletion. Check the box to confirm that you agree to delete your AliExpress account permanently. Then tap Delete Account. Your AliExpress account will now be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, and you may lose access to your orders and data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.